नमस्कार, स्वागत, अभिनंदन। कोटंबी स्टेडियम में बड़ौदा के आप सभी का अभिनंदन है। बड़ौदा और मुंबई की टीमें आपने सामने है। आईडीएफसी फर्स्ट बैंक रणजी ट्रॉफी सीजन 2024-25 की शुरुआत हो रही है। स्क्रीन पर है विष्णु सोलंकी, जोसना सिंघल, शिवालिक शर्मा। यह है बड़ौदा की टीम।
Mumbai, there you can see Siddesh Lat, Prithvi Shaw, Ajinkya Rane, all of them did well. Ranji Trophy round 1, Mumbai versus Baroda.
Home run!
Just a shade outside the off stump and plays it into the covers.
इस बार बल्ले का चेहरा दिखा दिया गेंद को और शुरुआत की है 4 रन के साथ जोसनेल ने। ये लीजिए जिस बात की मैं चर्चा कर रहा था, गेंद को स्विंग कराने की क्षमता उनके पास है। गेंद को इस बार अंदर लेकर, हालांकि फॉरवर्ड डिफेंस पे आए थे शिवालिक, लेकिन गैप रह गया जिसकी वजह से उनको वापस जाना होगा ड्रेसिंग रूम में और बिना खाता खोले वापसी हुई है।
Shashwat Rawat, 29 innings, 1,400 plus runs.
फिर से और पिच गेंद थी, इस बार सीधे बल्ले का प्रयोग किया और बेहतरीन शॉट। फिर से लेग स्टंप के ऊपर इस बार कलाई घूमी, लेकिन फील्डर मौजूद थे और उन्होंने वापसी करा दी। एक आसान सा कैच, शॉर्ट मिड विकेट जो फील्डर लगाया था जिनके राने में। हमें पिछली बार ओवर तारीफ कर रहा था कि बहुत ही बेहतरीन कप्तानी करते हैं, हमेशा अटैकिंग रहते हैं। कलाई घुमाई और इन स्विंग गेंद था, शॉर्ट मिड विकेट फील्डर थे, एक आसान सा कैच लिया।
Outside edge and that's through the first slip down to the third man boundary for 4.
Which tells you how well the Mumbai bowlers have bowled. A half volley there from Shardul Thakur and that's driven so beautifully through the covers.
लीजिए आते वेलकम कर दिया। ओवर पिच गेंद थी, ज्यादा कुछ किया नहीं। संघर्ष कर रहे हैं, अपील हो रही है, क्या उठेगी उंगली? जी हाँ, अनिल चौधरी जिन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा समय लिया नहीं और बिल्कुल सामने पाया। और जिस बात की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे, क्या ये मजबूती देंगे टीम को, लेकिन नहीं। और शम्स मुलानी जो कि लगातार परेशान कर रहे थे, आखिरकार सोलंकी को आउट करने में कामयाब हुए 18 रन बनाकर 49।
Yes, you were talking, Manoj. He will go for it. He's done that on this occasion. Down the wicket it goes again. Lofts it hard and high. Has he got the distance this time? He has.
पीछे हटे, ड्राइव किया, लेकिन इस बार बाउंड्री बल्ले से मिलेगी, बाई से नहीं मिलेगी।
In the air, taken and he's gone. Exactly the ploy that was being employed by Ajinkya Rane and Tanush Kotian. What teamwork out there. Once again, drawing Shashwat Rawat forward, playing from no man's land. Have a look at that. Down the wicket comes Kunal Pandya. This time gets outer edge of the bat. Will it run down to the boundary at third man? Ajinkya Rane after it. And maybe just about carries down third man boundary for 4. That turn faster to the up goal and that's given. Krunal Pandya is gone at the stroke of lunch. Nitin Menon says, yes, you've got your man. That's exactly what...
Day 1, look at that. Mumbai over rate also splendid. 34.5, all 35 overs. 90 runs. And Baroda have lost 5 wickets.
बना के रखा है, काफी अटैकिंग फील्ड लगाई है कप्तान ने। उससे गेंद टर्न हुआ, टर्न के साथ ही स्ट्रोक को खेला, गेंद और बाहर की तरफ निकल रही थी, पीछे हट के मितेश ने शॉट को खेला और भोजन के बाद आने वाला पहला स्कोरिंग शॉट 4 रन के रूप।
Oh, that's pulled away. Short one, given the treatment. Does very well. And that is a really fine knock from the wicketkeeper bat, Mitesh Patel. What is really good to see is how well they're finding the gaps here, both these two batters. Mitesh is 56 and Baroda 168 for 5. And that's tea here on day 1 of the
Set. First ball after tea. Suddenly there's a downflow here. You'd probably see it on your screen as well. We were saying it's gloomy. It was sultry, probably there was a precursor and the start after the rain break. You see there, Atit Sheth 32, Mitesh Patel 60. And It will be Himanshu who will continue bowling operations. Always the first 10 minutes after a break are so crucial.
Oh, Atit now taking on Shams Mulani. And it goes beyond the field of the 4 runs.
बीच में चले गए थे, गोवा चले गए थे, लेकिन वापस आ गए हैं मुंबई। 50 रन शानदार 120 गेंदों में ये अर्धशतक पूरा किया है और देखिए इस सम्मान के वो डिजर्व भी करते हैं। लीजिए, कट करना चाहते थे, स्क्वायर कट, एज लगा, करारा शॉट था, लेकिन यहाँ पर तारीफ करनी होगी जिस तरह कैच पकड़ा है। बहुत ही मुश्किल काम था ये, पीछे हटकर करारा शॉट करना चाहते थे, गेंद हल्का टर्न हुआ, किनारा लगा और साथ साथ खुद भी किनारे लग गए।
He's gone after it. Has that again been put down? The last delivery probably of the day. Batter through the air, sweeps it fine. Has he got batted to that? We'll know in a moment. But the ball is running way down, very fine behind the wicket keeper. Through for a couple. That couple takes Baroda 241 for 6 with that couple. This is probably stumps. This is the round 1 of the IDFC First Bank Ranji Trophy 24-25. Shams Mulani, 30 overs in a day he bowled yesterday. Raj Limbani taking strike as the first ball is played down to long off for a single.
Oh, this is another streaky one.
This is the Abdul gets his man. This time Shams Mulani.
Baroda lose their 7th wicket at 261. Oh, that should be close. Yes, given. Bhargav, but he's got so much of experience. Oh, this time on the pads, an opportunity, puts it away in style. Slightly faster than is gone. Caught by the wicket keeper.
आकाश सिंह 13 पारी 73 रन। आते ही इन्होंने अपने हाथ खोल दिए, आते ही इन्होंने अपना जलवा दिखा दिया और बाउंड्री दी है।
That's out, taken beautifully, Ajinkya Rahane. Baroda all out 290. That's a Baroda batting card. Josal Singh 10, Shivalik Sharma early out for no score. Shashwat Rawat 25, Solanki 18, Krunal Pandya 21 got starts, and then came the partnership 130, Mitesh Patel 86, Atit Sheth out today morning for 66.
3 पारी, ज्यादा अनुभव नहीं है, 33 रन है।
That's past the fielder had been out down to the long boundary for 4.
Oh, I call it the commentator's curse. Hardik Tamori, 692 runs.
अथी शॉकी क्योंकि बहुत ही मजबूत बल्लेबाज हैं, आक्रामक पारी खेलते हैं और इस बीच स्वीप करके 4 रन जोड़े हैं। ओवर की समाप्ति 11 रन हो रहे हैं, 63 एक विकेट के ऊपर, 17 ओवर का खेल हुआ है। और इसके साथ ही ये अनिल चौधरी ने इशारा कर दिया है कि आप भोजन एंजॉय कीजिए। कुल 33.1 ओवर का खेल हुआ, 112 रन बने और कल भी 5 विकेट गिरे थे और आज भी 5 विकेट गिरे हैं। लेकिन स्पिनर्स के साथ भोजन के बाद दोबारा शुरुआत कराई है।
Little bit of an outside as they go through for 1. Matre will want the second, he'll get that. Ayush Matre registers his first half century in first class cricket. 17-year-old lad. This will do his confidence a world of good, and he'll really feel pumped up and motivated after this.
जी हाँ, जिस तरह से अभी तक उन्होंने बल्लेबाजी की और मात्र 67 गेंदों में 50 रन बनाए हैं।
That's in the air. There's a man getting under it. The bowler probably will take it on his follow through. He takes it.
अजिंक्य रहाणे क्रीज पर आते हुए, ये जब आप छोटा गेंद करेंगे इनको, तो गेंद को कहां भेजना है ये बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं। मिड विकेट की तरफ भेजा 4 रन के लिए।
Oh, this time He's pulled it with utter disdain.
फिर से शॉट गेंद था और बड़ी ताकत इस शॉट के पीछे थी.
Oh, this could be close, and up goes the finger.
नए बल्लेबाज श्रेयस अय्यर आए हैं.
Did not keep it down, and look at, oh, has he held on to that? Wow, that's a lucky break, I would say.
नए बल्लेबाज सिद्धेश लाड आए हैं.
Oh, that's turn and bounce, and after a while,
61 पारियां हैं शम्स मलानी के नाम. 97 सबसे 17 अर्धशतक हैं. बाउंड्री लगाई है इस बार.
This time sweeps it round the corner, and that should be 4 runs. Round the wicket, Akash Singh driven firmly to mid-on by Siddesh Lad. And the umpires say it's time to have a cup of tea, guys. Here's the story of the second day, the first session. 112 runs for 5 wickets, 33 overs were bowled, run rate of 3.3. The run rate in the second session is better, 3.6 thereabouts. They've lost. He's bowled him! Clean bowled! Shams Milani can't believe what's just happened. But the furniture behind him is disturbed. The Baroda fielders are celebrating, and they have every reason to do that. One more very important wicket.
Shardul Thakur, look at his first-class record. Right now, it's Shardul trying to hit his way out of trouble. Oh, he's bowled him. Oh, where did that come in from? Oh, that's Akash Singh. That's a wicket he will cherish for a long, long time.
तनुष कोटिया नए बल्लेबाज आए हैं.
Well, it's all happening here. Must say Tanush Kotian, that was a loose shot. Someone like Tanush Kotian.
मोहित अवस्थी आए हैं नए बल्लेबाज. अभी 29 पारियों में 403 रन, 69 सर्वश्रेष्ठ है. अच्छी गति के साथ गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं. इस बार बाउंड्री मिल जाएगी.
Oh, that's taken. Beautifully taken. A lovely cotton bowled by Bhargav Bhatt. This is exactly what Baroda wanted. In the air, and that's taken. Taken right on the mid-wicket boundary. Well judged. A beautiful catch there by Pithiya. Ran about 10 feet to his left. Judged the ball to perfection. Mumbai all out 214, which means Baroda take a lead of 76 runs. Shams Milani will be starting bowling operations.
Jyotsnal Singh opening the batting. In fact, Raj Limbani. So the night watchman opening the batting. Baroda opened with 2 spinners. Jyotsnal Singh does well to negotiate that. And well, that should be it. Yes, that's it. That stumps on day 2. And Baroda 9 without loss to add on to that 76 run lead, which means that overall lead for Baroda 85 with all wickets intact in the second innings. The session summary there: 19.2 overs bowled in the final session on day 2. 60 runs were scored, but 5 wickets. Mumbai losing their last 5 wickets.
Let's have a look at how the match looks like now at the end of day 2. Baroda 290, Mitesh 86 and Atish 66. Tanush Kotian
265 wicket.
First ball coming up of day 3. In that corridor. Oh, this time on the midland leg stump, and that's played superbly. That's a magnificent shot.
ये लीजिए, जिस बात की मैं चर्चा कर रहा था, एकाग्रता का फर्क पड़ता है, फर्क दिखा दिया शार्दुल ठाकुर ने.
Oh, that should be close, and there goes the finger. So that's the end. That's an important wicket going down. Shashwat Rawat caught on the back foot.
और ये उंगली उठेगी, इस बार बिल्कुल सामने पाया और एक ओवर में ही एकदम मैच के रुख को बदल दिया कोटियान ने। पता ही नहीं लगा कि कब गेंद आना आया और जाकर लग गया। मितेश पहली पारी के संकट मोचन, एक रन बनाकर आउट हुए।
What a lovely on drive that is. Delectable, exquisite.
सीधे बल्ले से गेंद को सेवल चेहरा दिखाया और एक और बाउंड्री।
Went after it, the ball is in the air, they feel like getting 100 and he takes it. And just as we were saying, Vishnu Solanki has got all the experience behind him. Caught Matre, bowled Avasti.
Bat and pad, that's gone. So another batter bites the dust.
Vishnu Solanki this time takes the long walk back to the pavilion.
लेकिन इस बार जो 72-73 गेंदों से बाउंड्री नहीं लगी थी उसका रिकॉर्ड तोड़ दिया।
As Kunal Pandya goes down the wicket, he's hosted it hard and high.
75, 6 विकेट के नुकसान पर 32 ओवर की समाप्ति और अंपायर का इशारा। तीसरे दिन भोजन का समय हो गया।
That's swept round the corner by Atit Sheth. Will it be cut off? He's played it fine enough. Yes, it will.
फिर से स्वीप किया है, गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर।
This is going across and there goes the finger.
He's found the gap through the covers for 4. Through the covers, glorious extra cover drive for 4. Kunal Pandya brings up his half century in style. They go up in the middle, he's got his man. The debutant gets the Baroda captain. That's a big wicket. Kunal Pandya, LBW board, Himanshu Singh, 55 of 145 deliveries. The Baroda lead now 226 at the stroke of tea.
First ball after tea. And Himanshu Singh, and what gave that away was he wasn't that confident.
बड़ा शॉट खेला है ठीक बॉलर के ऊपर से।
And once again taking the aerial route, this time over mid wicket.
कोटियान के खिलाफ पीछा ने कोई इरादे बदल लिए हैं। एक और छक्का।
And this one, of course, his head was in the air, but well, trying to up the ante, and that's the 5-wicket haul for Tanush Kotian. Himanshu now, and it is Bhargav Bhatt now. He's chancing his arm. Look at this. He's gone. That's it. Finally, Himanshu picking up his 3rd wicket. Tanush Kotian, the most successful bowler, picking up another catch. And Baroda have been dismissed for 185 in Mumbai. Now need 162 runs to win for an outright victory.
कप्तान फिर से शुरुआत करते हुए पहली पारी के अंदाज में बिल्कुल। बैकफुट पंच, बिल्कुल पीछे आए गेंद के और पंच किया। क्या उम्मीद है और उम्मीद पर खड़े उतर गए।
Second innings, of course, the Mumbai ball, they are appealing for a run out over there. Play the sweep shot there, and there it is. The ball is still in play, and quickly trying to run out Hardik Tamore. Is it beyond the line? The line belongs to the umpire.
Who also doubles up as the 3rd umpire, has different angles by which you look at it. Yes, he's gone. The red light comes on. They've been called in due to bad light.
Mumbai 42 for 2. The match very interestingly poised. The final day, Rahane lot to depend on the Mumbai captain, unbeaten on 4. And partnering him is the young Ayush Mhatre, unbeaten on 19. The 17-year-old batted beautifully in the first innings. Bhargav Bhatt, who will be opening proceedings. First ball on the final day. And what a confident looking shot. But once again, a very confident appeal given, and Mumbai are 52 for 3.
Brings in another excellent batter of modern times, Shreyas Iyer. Oh, what stroke does he play? Goes for the reverse sweep and plays it successfully. Handicapped that ball. Kaplo is bowled him. Ayush Mhatre bowled but 22.
शेर का शानदार शॉट, एक बार फिर से बहुत जल्दी अपने को पोजीशन किया. ये फिर से शॉर्ट गेंद, इस बार पुल किया और 4 रन मिल जाएंगे. तो खराब लाइन है मेरे हिसाब से.
Reverse sweep again. He's got that spot on. Down to the conventional square, third man boundary for 4. In the air, and that's taken. They go up in the peel. Shreyas Iyer called Ratwa the substitute bowl, but for 30, Mumbai 104 for 5, drinks on the field.
और लीजिए, जब फील्डर वहां पर है ही नहीं तो उसका फायदा उठा रहे हैं. शमसुलानी और बाउंड्री ले ली. फिर से लीजिए, फायदा उठा लिया और ये भी दूसरी बाउंड्री भी हो गई.
And trying to sweep from the rough, and all going up in appeal. Yes, oh, this time better with the spin into the gap. Oh, and the ball wins the race. Well, welcome boundary there. And the man very strategy. Oh, that's gone. Mumbai now in deep trouble. Oh, look at that. That's a soft dismissal. Tanush Kotian out for 1. Mumbai 137 for 8. And oh, the reverse sweep comes, and with good effect as well. 4 runs, a welcome boundary for Mumbai.
क्या ये लगेगा जी? आउट.
And Mumbai are now reduced to 163 for 9.
Now, of course, realizes there's not much of support, goes over the top. Has he got the distance? Yes, he has, over wide long. Once again, goes after the bowling. That's pulled away down to mid-wicket boundary for 4. Yeah, and that's taken. That's the end of it. This is just one of those setbacks that can happen sometimes.
अभी तक की मैच की कहानी 290 बनाए बरोड़ा ने, मितेश ने 86 बनाए थे, सेठ ने 66, मुंबई ने जवाब दिया 214 रन बनाकर, मात्र ने 52 और तमोरे ने 40. बरोड़ा ने 185 रन बनाए दूसरी पारी में, 55 बनाए पांड्या ने, 40 बनाए पीथिया ने. मुंबई दूसरी पारी में टोटल चेज नहीं कर पाए. सिद्धेश लाड ने संघर्ष किया, 59 बनाए. श्रेयस अय्यर ने 30 बनाए. भट्ट सबसे सफल गेंदबाज रहे, 6 विकेट